Hello friends, welcome back with another video. I'm Jonathan Mark, software engineering first year student at Java Institute. In this video, I'm going to explain the database management system question set 5. The board of directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institute. The software is being developed by Taraka Software Solution. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in the company and you and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instruction given to you as follows. The first question is create a database called New Vision Academy. To create a database, let's open HeidiSQL and put your password. Right click on it and create new database. Now let's name the database as New Vision Academy. Press OK and you can see New Vision Academy and right click on it and create new table. Let's name the table name as teacher. And now let's fill the columns. The first column name is teacher, reg number, data type is varchar, length is 10, and the default value must be no default value. And the second column name is first name, data type varchar, and length is 45. It should be no default value. And the third column name is last name, is also varchar, length 45 and no default value. And the next column name is gender, data type is varchar, and length is 10. It also should be no default value. And contact number, varchar, length 10, no default value. And the last column name is email, varchar 50 and no default value. And the teacher register number is the primary key for the table teacher, and let's make the teacher register number as primary key. And now let's save the table. Here we can view our table. And the third question is enter the data shown in the table below in the database table you have set up above. Do not use the graphical method when entering data here. All data must be entered from the query statement. Okay, let's add this table using query statements. And now let's add all the details into the teachers table. The query is insert into New Vision Academy, the database dot the table teacher, open a bracket and close that bracket, and inside the bracket use grave accent to type our column names. In first grave accent, let's type our teacher's register number and put a comma and open a new grave accent. Inside that, write first name and put a comma, open another grave accent, and inside that write last name, put a comma and open and close another grave accent, and inside that write gender and comma and grave accent, write contact number and put a comma and open another grave accent and put their email. And this is the way how we write column names in a query. And let's add values. Open two brackets and two quotation marks, and inside the quotation mark write tech 001. This is the ID of the first column, and the name Kumara, second name is last name is Mallava, the gender is male, and let's copy the mobile number from the table. And also we copy the email address and paste to the value, open to quotations. And now let's run the query, and now we can see added details in the table. And now let's add a second column. Let's copy the teacher register number and paste in the query. Copy the first name and paste it in the query. Copy the second name, last name, and paste it in the query. Likewise, we'll copy gender, contact number, email. Let's paste it in the query. Let's run the query and refresh it. Yes, you can see a column is added. Likewise, I added all these details using this query language. These are the details. Thank you.